My name is Liam Carmody. I'm the factory director here in Danone Wexford. Danone Wexford produces a range of highest quality milk products for worldwide consumers under brands such as Aptamil and Cow & Gate. The mission of our factory is to be the green factory in Danone. Green in terms of the sourcing of high quality Irish milk, grass-fed Irish milk, which by the way has the second lowest emissions of CO2 per litre of milk anywhere in the world, and green in terms of the use of renewable energies. The background to our Vulcan project was that Wexford town is not connected, or was not at the time connected, to the natural gas infrastructure in Ireland. So as a result we were burning heavy fuel oil, which has cost and environmental and operational disadvantages. So we launched a project to look at the alternatives, the possibilities we had for fuel choices here in Wexford. So we looked at all the alternative options and we concluded that biomass or wood chip was the most appropriate fuel choice for our site and for our operation. We use the fuel to burn steam for the spray dryer to dry the infant milks that we produce. So when we concluded that biomass was the right option, we launched a project to secure a biomass boiler for the factory. We worked with Danone Nature Team, we secured funding for Enterprise Ireland, and we launched the project for the boiler. In parallel with that, we launched an ecosystem project in conjunction with the Danone ecosystem team in Paris and also with local NGO KLP Kilkenny Leader Partnership. The objective of that project was to secure a sustainable supply of wood chip or high-grade wood chip for our operation while enhancing the economic, the social and the environmental health of the operation and the community in which we operate. In total then, Danone has invested €650,000 of funds in developing local producer groups to be able to supply fuel, and not just to Danone but to other entities. And that funding was co-matched by leader companies in Ireland, in the various counties in Ireland. So at the end of the 4 years, these local producer groups have culminated into the formation of Irish Wood Producers, which is a fully independent local company, co-owned or owned by farmers and forestry members. So Danone Wexford then went live with a 4 megawatt biomass boiler at the end of 2012, beginning in 2013. In total we burn about 45 tonnes of wood chip every day, so that's between 2 and 3 articulated loads of wood chip arrive to the site every day, which is equivalent to about 8,000 tonnes of oven dried materials every year. We're very proud of the fact that the producer groups that we've supported now supply us with over 50% of the fuel that we use in our boiler. So for Danone we see the project as an enormous success. First and foremost, we've saved 8,000 tonnes of CO2 emissions per year, which is a reduction of 90% from where we were before. We're now considered to be a reference site in Danone for other factories, other sites to come and visit us when they're evaluating their future fuel requirements and fuel choices. We've made a significant financial saving by switching from heavy fuel oil to biomass, equivalent roughly to the savings we would have made had we gone from heavy fuel oil to natural gas. And we've also supported the setting up of these producer groups, now are Irish Wood Producers. And these groups are empowering farmers, they're generating employment, and they are improving the productivity of the forestry holdings themselves. So in summary, we are very, very proud of the role that Danone and Danone Wexford has played in this overall Vulcan project. We've been able to reduce our CO2, we've been able to generate savings, we've been able to contribute positively and enhance the environmental, the social and the economic health of our local community, all of which are ambitions and objectives of the Danone Ecosystem Fund and of the Danone Manifesto.